Hello and welcome back to our channel. We have another cool video for you on ways you could make money online. That's right, we are constantly uploading videos on ways you could make money on the internet, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. Here we go. Today we're going to talk about 10 websites to make money online for free in 2020. You don't need a credit card, you don't need anything. This is all for free. You can just sign up and start making money. So let's go to our first webpage. Our first webpage is Redbubble. Redbubble is a webpage where you can sell your art. Basically, they specialize on printing your art in anything they can and then selling it. So a lot of people come to this webpage just like they go to Etsy or any other webpage where you will buy something nice, quirky and pretty, right? So you come to this webpage and a lot of people just buy stuff from here. They buy t-shirts, they buy stickers, they buy mugs, they buy rugs, they buy pillows with different patterns, with different art, right? So this is a very cool webpage because I'm going to teach you how it works. First of all, the artist creates the design and he uploads it. Then they find an object they want to put it in, and then they bring it up here, and then this webpage just sells it. So if you want to start selling your art, if you're an artist, if you like to draw, if you do any kind of work like that, and you want to start making money through it, this is the way to do it. Just come to Redbubble, go over here on the top where it says sell your art, and then over here you're gonna have all the categories you can put it on. They have this little video where it tells you how to get started. You click over here and then you can just sign up and start selling your art. So don't miss out on this opportunity. It's a really good opportunity to sell your art. Our second webpage is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a webpage that specializes in connecting people that need jobs done and freelancers. They have a gig every 4 seconds, over 50 million gigs. They have price ranges in between $5,000 and $10,000. You can be a writer, a designer, a video editor, a musician. You could take one of your hobbies or maybe one of your main ways of work. I don't know, maybe you're a musician, maybe you're a video editor like me, and you want to make money online. This is a great way to make money online. Coming over here to Fiverr is a good way to find clients and find people who are willing to pay money for your product, which is your art, maybe your skills, something like that. So if you want to make money, just click over here and sign up for Fiverr. It's a great way to make money. Now let's go to our next webpage. Our next webpage is gonna be Upwork. Upwork is a webpage that does kind of the same thing but to a bigger scale. Why? Because they have a wider range of areas in which you could work. You can work in design and creation, in web and mobile and software development, writing, sales and marketing, administrative support, customer service, data science and analytics, engineering and architecture. You can work in a broader area of jobs in this webpage compared to Fiverr, which is mostly for freelancers, right? So the way it works is you find a project, you bid on a project, then the person looks at the bids and says, okay, this is the most qualified person, or this is the person I'm gonna give the job to. And basically they just let you know, you get hired, you do the job, you send them the job, and then you get paid. They have service fees they charge to do all of this and to manage all of these transactions, but it's a very cool thing because they secure your payment, right? So you're gonna get paid. So let's go to our next webpage. Our next webpage is Skillshare. Skillshare is a webpage where you can sell your skills. It's very easy to sell your skills. And how do you do this? You teach it to other people. Basically, you create a course, a video course, and then you upload it here, and people are gonna watch it. And the more people that watch it, the more money you're gonna make from people watching that video. So it's a very cool way to make passive income. If you have some kind of talent, some kind of ability that you can share with people, this is the place to share it, right? So you can come over here, you can film your online course, your class, and then you can share it with all of these people who are already signed up, and then people can learn from you. So let's go to our creators page. Here we can see why we should teach on Skillshare. We can see that we can make a lot of money on it. It says here that you can make up to 100,000 per year. Yeah, that's right, 100,000 per year, just from teaching something online, just from filming a course and sharing it with people and helping people learn from you. So check out the webpage. Again, this is a Skillshare. This is a very profitable app. This is something that you could take very good advantage of if you have something that's valuable and something that people are wanting to learn, right? So if you know how to code, if you know how to paint, if you know how to make the perfect espresso, even, you know, you can literally make a course about anything. So check it out and sign up so you can start making a little bit of money through Skillshare, and maybe a lot of money later on. Now let's go to our next webpage. Our next webpage is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is kind of like Upwork, it's kind of like Fiverr, but it's somewhere in between. You know, this is the kind of place where you also make vids for jobs, and they have customer support in between the employees and the employers. So you are secured on the working aspect, right? You know you're gonna get paid for your job, so you're just gonna go to the web page and click on earn money freelancing, right? So once we click on it, it's gonna tell you what kind of services you can be providing, right? So over here they're gonna tell people what they can buy, and here is what you can sell. Basically, you know, what kind of work can I do? So over here you can browse the jobs and find something that fits with something you can perform, and then you can just do those jobs online. You know, you start sending bids, start finding jobs, and make some money finding clients through freelancer.com. It's a very easy way to make money. Now let's go to our next webpage. Our next webpage is ClickBank. ClickBank.com is an affiliate marketplace, right? So basically, this is the place where you can sell, promote, shop, or learn about marketing, right? So you can sell your product, you can promote your product, and basically the way it works is through affiliate marketing, where they give you a link. You take a link and then you grab that link, you share it with people, and when people click that link and buy that product, you're gonna make money. They have different number commissions, but usually the commissions are very, 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 very good, and a lot of people have made a lot of really good money through affiliate marketing. So check it out. Another way of affiliate marketing is Amazon Associates. This is our next webpage. Amazon Associates is the same thing, right? It's affiliate marketing. They give you a link and you can sell their products through your link to people, and if you sell that product, you're gonna make money. It says right here that you can choose over 1 million products to advertise, so I'm sure you're gonna find something you are gonna wanna recommend to people, or something that people are gonna want, and you can also get up to 10% in advertising fees, right? So basically you can make 10% of everything that you sell, and you could sell a lot of money. You know how many transactions are being made through Amazon every day, and if you have the ability to have some kind of interaction in between to where you're gonna make money through them selling, then this is a great opportunity for you. So if you click over here, you're gonna have more information. It says that you have to submit an application, and they have an application review process where they screen their applicants in order to know if it's gonna be worth it for them or not. I got accepted. I'm pretty sure you can get accepted with no issue. All you have to do is have some kind of channel where you can share these links and you can start selling and start making money. So make sure you sign up. You can use your regular Amazon account. And speaking about Amazon, we're gonna go now to Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is kind of like Fiverr, kind of like Upwork, kind of like Freelancer, but a little more specific, a little more guided towards doing work for companies that need a lot of work done, but they don't have the time to hire the people. So it says right here, right? Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform this task virtually, right? So basically they help you connect with people who need jobs done, and then you can perform those jobs and make money, right? So it explains the whole process over here, but what we want to see is the webpage for the people who are going to be working for Amazon, right? So let's go to it right now. Here is it. It says make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks, right? So basically you're gonna complete simple tasks and you're gonna get paid for it, right? So it says right here all the different tasks that you could be assigned to, from image and video processing to data verification and cleanup. You know, you could be maybe watching a video that says click on every single this that you find, on click on every single that you find, right? You do stuff that maybe AI can't do, or that companies don't want to hire someone who sit to do all day, but if you could do it from the comfort of your home through the internet, why not, right? So check it out, go to this webpage and make sure there is some stuff in here that you want to do before you sign up. But if you do, you're gonna make money. Now the next way to make money is through YouTube. YouTube is very profitable. A lot of people don't know this, but YouTube is very profitable. You can make a lot of money just making simple reviews. So let's look at Blender review, for example. We can see here that we have a lot of views. We have over tens of thousands of views on the first videos that we find, which means that a lot of people have seen these videos, which means that a lot of people have watched the commercials that are played before these videos, which means that a lot of people are getting money from people watching these videos, right? And you can make a channel about everything. You can make a channel about a top 5, right? Top 5 whatever you want. For example, I like shows a lot, so I could make a channel about the top 5 best shows that I consider and make some money off of it, because then people are gonna watch it and I'm gonna make money through the advertising. Now, if we click on, for example, this guy is called The Movie Fanatic. The Movie Fanatic has a good amount of views, a good amount of followers. Let's look at how much money he's making. So if we go to Social Blade, it says that he's making between $45 and $712 a month from his YouTube channels. Now that doesn't sound like much, but it's a good amount of money. It's a good amount of money. Let's say in average he's getting about $350 a month. That's a really good amount of money to make if you're not making the videos over and over again, right? This just keeps rolling in, right? Like the money just keeps adding up and it keeps rolling in, and month by month with videos that are already made, he's making money. So this is a good way to make passive money. If you want to make YouTube profitable, you can start a channel and start making videos. Now our last way to make money is the webpage Playlist Push. Playlist Push is a webpage where you can push a playlist. Basically, it helps artists get more listens. And so this webpage, what it does, it helps new artists have their songs discovered and reviewed and recommended by people who are trusted in the music industry, right? So for example, we have a section right here that says for curators. It says discover some of the best upcoming indie artists and help them launch their career, get paid to listen and review songs, right? So we're gonna want to go up here and we want to select this curator area, right? And it says get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can just consider adding it to one of your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. So how do we accomplish this? Basically, we create a playlist, we add all of the songs we like, and we start sharing it, right? And we share it. Hopefully we can make a lot of people follow it, and then once we do that, we sign up to this webpage and we can start making money through that. And they also have an affiliate program, right? So over here in the bottom, if you click on that, you're gonna go to this page where they say get paid for referring artists and curators, right? So maybe you know someone who is a very well-known DJ, maybe you know someone who's an artist and you wanna help them get exposed, and one of the ways to help them get exposed is to get them on this webpage. Well, if you do that, you're gonna get money as well. So that's the last way to make money that I'm gonna show you today. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate very much your time, your patience, and your views. We hope that you like our video. Please subscribe if you have liked the video. Please comment down there if you have made money through one of the ways that we've showed you before, or please share the video if you feel like one of these ways could help someone else make money. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon.